So you think you know how to delete an app on your phone, right? Find it, long press it, hit uninstall? Easy. But what about those apps, the ones your carrier or phone maker decided you needed that conveniently don't have an uninstall button? That, my friends, is bloatware, and it's secretly slowing down your phone, killing your battery, and munching on your storage. For years, the story has been that you just have to live with it, that these apps are a permanent part of your phone. But that's not the whole truth. There are ways to fight back and declutter your digital life. In this video, I'll show you the simple tricks to uninstall any normal app, how to disable those stubborn ones, all without having to root your device. Understanding the enemy. What is bloatware? Before we go on a digital cleaning spree, let's be clear on what we're actually up against. Bloatware is just any unwanted software that a manufacturer or carrier pre-installs on your device. Oftentimes, companies pay the phone maker to stick their apps on there, hoping you'll stumble into their service. You'll generally run into three kinds of bloatware. First, you have third-party apps, like a random social media app or a game you never asked for. These can usually be uninstalled without a fight. The second type comes from the manufacturer, things like their own calendar or email apps that you might not like as much as other options. And the third type is from your carrier, which could be account management tools or other services they want to push. So why is this a big deal? Sure, some of these apps are harmless and just take up a little space, but others are constantly running in the background, hogging your phone's RAM and CPU, which can drag down its overall performance. They can also drain your battery, and in the worst cases, blast you with annoying notifications and ads. You didn't ask for them, you don't use them, and yet they're messing with your phone. It's time to fix that. The basics: removing apps the right way. Alright, let's start with the fundamentals. Even for the regular apps you installed yourself, knowing all the different ways to remove them can make spring cleaning your phone a whole lot faster. Method 1. The home screen or app drawer. This is the one most of us know. Just open your app drawer, find the app you want to ditch, and long press its icon. A little menu pops up. From there, tap Uninstall and confirm with OK. Boom, it's gone. This works perfectly for almost any app you've downloaded from the Google Play Store. Method 2. The Settings menu. For a more organized attack, head into your phone's Settings. Open the Settings app and find the Apps section. It might also be called Apps and Notifications or something similar. Here, you'll see a neat list of every single app on your phone. Scroll to the one you want to zap, tap it, and you'll see a big Uninstall button. Tap it, confirm, and that app is history. Method 3. The Google Play Store. You can also manage your apps right from the source. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon in the corner, and go to Manage Apps and Device. Switch to the Manage tab, and you'll get a full list of your apps. You can even sort them by size to see who the biggest offenders are. Just check the box next to any app you want to remove and tap the little trash can icon at the top to uninstall them. What about apps that won't uninstall? Meet the Disable button. Now, you've probably tried one of these methods on a pre-installed app and noticed the uninstall button has vanished. In its place, you'll see a disable button. This is your best friend when fighting bloatware without getting too technical. While disabling an app doesn't completely remove it from your storage, it does three crucial things. It hides the app from your app drawer, it stops it from ever running in the background, and it prevents it from getting updates. It's like putting the app in a deep freeze where it can't waste your battery or resources. Just go to that app's info page in Settings, tap Disable, and confirm. For most pre-installed apps, this is a fantastic, good enough solution that gets them out of your hair. But what if good enough isn't good enough for you? Disabling is great, but let's be real, it doesn't get that precious storage space back. And just like that, it's gone. You now know how to remove regular apps, disable the stubborn ones, and completely obliterate bloatware using the power of ADB. Your phone is finally cleaner, faster, and actually yours. You've taken back control from all the clutter. If this video helped you finally crush that one annoying app you've been stuck with, do me a favor and smash that like button. And for more tech tutorials that put you back in the driver's seat, make sure to subscribe. I'm curious, what's the first bloatware app you're going to remove? Drop a comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.